Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to write the Java programs by using BlueJ. These are your lab manual questions. There are 8 questions, so we will discuss one by one all. The first one is print your name on the screen. The second one is print your name and your school name in two different lines by using two print statements. The next, print your name and school name in same line using two print statements and your class in next line using third print statement. The next, write a program to find the sum and product of any two numbers stored in two variables. The fifth one is write a program in which you store the student name, roll number, and marks in 5 subjects in appropriate variables. Calculate and print the total marks obtained and percentage. The next, write a program to calculate the area and perimeter of square. Write a program in which you input name and quantity bought and then calculate the bill amount at 12.5% as VAT and find the net bill. The next, write a program to determine the length of a wooden strip required to fence the photograph of length and breadth 42 cm and 22 cm. We will learn how to do these programs in BlueJ software. Now I tell you how to write the Java programs by using BlueJ software. See, on the desktop screen you can see BlueJ icon. Why we choose this BlueJ software? Because it is a window based platform for writing the Java programs, and it is very easy to write the programs on this platform. Why? Because it provides a menu driven approach. You can easily download this software from the website www.bluej.org. Now the first step how to start this BlueJ is double click on this. It has a version 4.1.2. Now the screen opens before me. See, already there is a project AA, but I tell you how to create a new project. What is this project? This project can be considered as a directory or as a folder where you are saving all your class files. So click on this project, click on this new project. See, the path is given. Interested to change the path, you can change, otherwise give the name of the new project. So in my case I am taking prog1. Fine, click on this OK option. Now again prog1 project is created, and then option comes new class. I create on this new class. Now what is the class name? If you are remembering what are the rules to write a class name, that it should not be started with the integer. So let's say I am giving the class name as 1A. Now the message comes not a valid Java class name. So I'm going to change this and I'm writing A1. Click on OK. Now my class is created. Double click on this. Now again a window opened before you. I'm going to delete all this. Now by default this public class A1 is created. Now in my first program, what is the first program? It is display your school name. So again I'm writing public static void name string ar. Close this. Which statement we will use for displaying the name? system.out.println, and the name of my school is SHS. Close this and close this. Please be careful that I have used system.out.println statement. Fine. Now this is the closing of the opening and closing of the class, opening and closing of the main function. Compile this. It shows class compiled, no syntax error. Then again right click on this for the execution. There is an option void main. Click on this void main option, click on OK button, and the output is SHS appears. Fine. Now again I'm going to make a more modification. Suppose I want to display my city name, school name and city name on the same line. Now what is the another option? System.out.print. I remove this, and again instead of this I am writing my city name. Now I want that school name and city name should appear on the same line. I click on this compile option, no syntax error. Then again right click, Click on OK button. Now see, the output is SHS and Munga are on the same line. Now the question comes, what is the difference between system.out.println and system.out.print? In system.out.println, after output, the cursor comes onto the next line. But in case of system.out.print, the cursor after displaying the output remains on the same line. Again I am repeating, in system.out.println, the cursor comes on another line after displaying the output, but in case of system.out.print, the cursor does not come to the next line, it remains on the same line after displaying the output. And this is the solution of the first 3 programs of lab manual. Now we will discuss all the questions of the lab manuals, as well as I'll show you the output also. First of all, the question number 3. The question number 3 is, print your name and the school name in the same line using 2 print statements and the class in the next line using 3rd print statement. Now observe carefully that I am using both the statements, system.out.print and system.out.println. What is the difference? In case of system.out.print, after displaying the output, the cursor remain on the same line. Whereas in system.out.println, after displaying the output, the cursor comes on the next line. So in case I want Ranveer and Sacred Heart School should remain on the same line. So for the first, I am using system.out.print. Why? Because after displaying Ranveer, the cursor remain on the second line and then remain on the same line, and then Sacred Heart School will appear. After that, the cursor come on the next line and then class 9th will appear. So I'll show you the output for this. Compiled, no syntax error. So the output is Ranveer space name of the school, and on the next line class 9th appear. After this, the question number 4. The question number 4 is, find the sum and product of any 2 numbers stored in 2 variables. Fine. So in this question, inside a main function, I am declaring 4 variables, n1, n2, sum and product. All are of int data type. n1, n2 is initialized with the variable with the values, and this is a case of the static initialization. And then I am writing a formula to calculate the sum and product. Sum equal to n1 plus n2. So the value of n1 plus n2, whatever the result, it will assign to my sum variable. n1 multiply by n2, whatever the result will be, it will be assigned to my product variable. After this, system.out.println sum of 2 numbers. Please observe carefully that sum of 2 numbers, I am enclosing this in double quotes. Fine. Plus sum. What is the sum? This is the name of the variable. What this variable holds? This variable holds the result of the addition of 2 numbers. Next line, product of 2 numbers. Again, it is enclosed in double quotes. So whatever I have enclosed in double quotes, that will appear as a message on the screen, and the name of the variable will display the value of the variable. Again, I compiled. So the output is the sum of 2 numbers, answer, the product of 2 numbers, and then 3125. What is this 3125? This is the value of the variable product. After this, the next question number 5. The question number 5 says that write a program in which you store the student name, roll number and marks in 5 subjects in appropriate variables, and print the total marks obtained and calculate the percentage. So in this question, inside a main function, I am declaring a variable name of string data type, then roll number, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5. I am taking 5 variables Y to hold the marks of 5 subjects. And then total, this variable is used to calculate the total of all the subjects, and percentage, this variable is used to hold the percentage. And then static initialization, I am assigning a value Ranveer to my name variable, 30 to my roll number variable, and then 30 to my S1 variable, 40 to my S2 variable. This is a case of assigning 80 to my S3 variable, 60 to my S4 variable, and then 90 to S5 variable. After this, I'm writing a formula to calculate the total marks. So S1 plus S2 plus S3, S4, S5. And then how I'm calculating the percentage? I'm writing this formula. After this, student system.out.println, and then name of the student, again I'm using tab sequence. Fine, this is the escape sequence. So name of the student and then \t, I'm enclosing in double quotes, so that how the output will appear: name of student space and Ranveer. Again total marks space, then total value will be appear, then percentage space, and then percentage will appear. I'll show you the output for this. So the output is name of student space Ranveer. Why the space is here? Because I have made the use of escape sequence \t, the horizontal tab space. After this, the next question number 6. The question number 6 is calculate the area and parameter of a square. Very simple. So I have declared 3 variables: parameter, area, and for the square I need a side. Again, side is initialized with 10 value. I'm writing the formula. What is the formula for calculate the area? Side into side. The parameter is 4 into side, and then again by using system.out.println statement, I'm displaying the value of area and parameter. Compile this. So these are the questions for area and parameter. After this, question number 7. Now the question number 7 is write a program in which you input item name and quantity bought, and then calculate the bill amount at 12.5% as VAT and find the net bill. So again, inside the main function, I'm declaring iname. This is a variable of string data type which will hold the item name, and then quantity is of int data type, and then cost t-bill. T-bill is variable is used for calculating the total bill. VAT variable is used for calculating the VAT. N-bill is the net bill. All these variables are of double data type, and then I'm assigning the values to these variables. Now after this, I'm writing a formula to calculate the t-bill, total bill. So total bill equal to cost multiplied by quantity. So what is my quantity? 2, and what is the cost? 45,000. So the cost of 2 laptop is 90,000 is stored in my t-bill. Then I'm calculating VAT. As it is given in the question, 12.5% VAT will be calculated. So I'm using this formula: 12.5 divided by 100 multiplied by t-bill. What is t-bill? This is the total bill. Whatever the value of VAT will come, it will store in my VAT variable. After this, I'm calculating the net bill. So what is the formula? T-bill plus VAT, total bill plus VAT amount. And then in the end, I'm displaying the value of net bill by using system.out.println statement. Compile this, shows no error. Execute this. So this is the answer of my question number 7. The net bill amount is 101,250 rupees. Fine. After this, question number 8. The question number 8 is determine the length of a wooden strip required to fence the photograph of length and breadth 42 centimeter and 22 centimeter. Now in this question, as length and breadth are given, and I need to find the length of a wooden strip required to fence the photograph, it means I need to find the parameter. So again, I'm writing the formula of parameter equal to 2 into length plus breadth, and in the end I'm displaying the value of the parameter. So please be carefully, wooden strip requires, and the double quotes end here. I'm using escape sequence also for creating the horizontal tab space plus parameter. This parameter is the variable which holds the answer of this formula. After this, I compiled. No syntax error. So we'll show you the output. So the answer is 128 centimeter. And this is the end of the video tutorial. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.